Alrighty, Raymond, here's your 347 small block Ford. The description is a combination. Got a set of our covers on it. Got a block manifold. It's got the Holley Terminator X fuel management. Got the Holley front end on it, beautiful front end. We're also front sump oil pan, custom grind hydraulic roller. Set of our ass cast head. We'll go in there and make a run. Stay tuned. Still 3,500 or 396 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 418, peak horsepower 458. So it runs really good. You're in at 440. It's got a front end on it. So what we'll do is pull the pipes back, make sure it's clean. Let's see, we're in, find the single inside credit card, USB card, full of technical information. In the crate will be the single spec sheet. I highly recommend reading it. Have a great day.